Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This channel is made to help you learn English easily. Here you will learn simple English words, questions, and daily speaking. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Your support helps us make more videos. Let's start today's lesson.
Hello Asra. Hello. Asra.
Hello Samir. Hello. Samir.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine. I am fine.
Are you busy? Are you busy?
No, I am free. No, I am free.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am studying. I am studying.
That is good. That is good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you like English? Do you like English?
Yes, I like English. Yes, I like English.
English is easy. English is easy.
Yes, it is easy. Yes, it is easy.
Let's study. Let's study.
Okay. Okay.
Open the book. Open the book.
I open the book. I open the book.
Read this. Read this.
I read it. I read it.
Write this. Write this.
I write it. I write it.
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand.
Speak slowly. Speak slowly.
I will speak slowly. I will speak slowly.
Speak clearly. Speak clearly.
I will try. I will try.
Practice every day. Practice every day.
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
English is important. English is important.
I know that. I know that.
Do you watch videos? Do you watch videos?
Yes, I watch videos. Yes, I watch videos.
That helps a lot. That helps a lot.
Yes, it helps. Yes, it helps.
Keep learning. Keep learning.
I will keep learning. I will keep learning.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready.
Let's start. Let's start.
Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start.
Good job. Good job.
Thanks. Thanks.